What's up, nerds? Harbinger here. I've messed this video up like 5 times already, so whatever, this is my last shot, and if mistakes happen, they happen. I'm assuming you've already seen the notes on Google Classroom and looked them over for the Harbinger encoding algorithmic technique, the heat, because it's so fire. I'm going to use that now to show an example of how it's sent. Normally, I would have students running around the school doing their protocols and making their basic internet. And due to COVID, that's not happening. So I'm going to show you my own technique, and it's just me. So nobody's helping. I'm socially distanced, and I'm going to use my iPhone to record all the video. I'm so sorry that it's shaky or that the video quality is poor. It's because I'm really bad at this, so deal with it, I guess. I'm going to try to splice together a lot of little videos. I'm really, really bad at it. Maybe I'll get my 12-year-old to help because she's much, much better at it than I am. And we'll see how it goes. Again, I hope you have seen the notes on Google Classroom. I'm going to use those. And if you're watching this without seeing the notes, you might have no clue what I'm doing. So try to follow along, please. As a heads up, I'm going to send the message hi from my classroom all the way up to the office. So again, that's hi from here to the office. So essentially, we're going to have a flashlight and I'm going to shine it. I'm going to show you what the transmission looks like from the sender's end. And then I'm going to record at a distance to show you how the flashlight might look, as it's on and off. And then I'm going to try to do like an intermediary step and then maybe what it might look like at the office. And if it seems like too much and it's going kind of long, then we'll scrap it. And I just assume that you're smart enough to handle it. The first thing I have to do is encode my plain text message using the Harbinger encoding algorithmic technique. The heat, it's just easier to say from now on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my plain text message. I'm going to consult the spreadsheet and I'm going to encode it. And then I'm going to hand it to the flashlight operator, which is me. So here goes. So if my job, which I can't see it on my own phone, is to send hi to the office, first I have to start with a 11111 to signal the start of a message or the end of a message. I picked 11111 just because it seemed like if a flashlight is on for 5 seconds, that's fine. And it's the start or the end of a message, and I'm good either way. So next would be destination. And the code for the office, if you saw the spreadsheet already, is towards the bottom there, 11101. So 11101, and that's my destination code. And then I need to encode my actual message text, which would be H followed by I. So I'm going to check out that again. I left like a code on the side there so I can help. But H is right here and I is right there. So 01000 is H and 01001 is I. So we said H was 01000 and I was 01001. If you know binary, this makes a whole lot of sense because I just added 1 to H to get I. And then we have to signal the end of the transmission. So that's 5 ones. So now I'm going to turn it over to my flashlight operator, and they're going to blink a flashlight. That would be 25 seconds of on and off combinations. So had more people, the plan would have been, hey, where the camera was, my phone was, that would have been like an intermediary, like a router, so to speak. And the person at that spot would have been writing down every single second, is the flashlight on or off? Hey, is it 1 or 0? And they would do that for 25 seconds. They would also look at the destination code and say, oh, it's going to the office in this case. You know, the right number of zeros and ones were in place, office. So they would send it to the next destination. So after writing down 25 ones or zeros, they would interpret where it's supposed to go, and then they would turn with their flashlight and send it to the next router. And they would send the same string of ones and zeros, and that next router is then going to turn around and send it to the right spot. It's going to keep going until it gets to the office. I'm not going to go up to the office and hang out and show you what it would look like in the final destination. It would just be somebody sitting there getting a flashlight, series of ones and zeros, and then writing it down and translating it back into plain text.